High blood pressure is also known as hypertension. It can put your circulatory system and heart at risk. It is also known as silent killer. It is natural that people get high blood pressure after hearing sad news or suffering from any disease. Blood pressure is a condition where force of blood is stacked against the wall of arteries as it passes through. When it becomes high, then it means things are not looking healthy as they should be. So it is important to take action right away. Which are the homeopathic medicines for high blood pressure you can choose? If you use them for a prolonged period of time, then you might be able to overcome this health condition. All these homeopathy medicines are with natural and organic ingredients. People of all ages can use for their conventional. Make sure they don't get addicted to them. It is only for limited use only. 1. Belladonna. If you are suffering from frequent headaches, then Belladonna medicine is best to control the pain of burning sensation and redness in the face in high blood pressure condition. You can use it 3 times in a day. 2. Nux vomica. Nux vomica is certainly one of those homeopathic medicines when the patient feels chilly or angered. This could lead to high blood pressure. The result is fascinating once you get to use it on daily basis. 3. Natrum muriaticum. If eating things that involves salt or spicy food makes your BP high, then you can use this one of the fantastic homeopathic remedies to control high blood pressure. You only need 1 dose if you skip eating sour or fried items. 4. Glenoinum. When your face turns red and there is little congestion of blood in the face and head, then this is the only remedy, glenoinum, that can cure you. If a person irritable or get too much excited, then you can use it for these situations. Use it for 2 weeks to get better results. 5. Rauwolfia. Rauwolfia is the medicine that is made with natural herbs and used as homeopathic treatment. When your nervous system is irritating from inside and your heartbeat pumps fast, it can control both of them, also lower BP as well. It helps to control any internal failure which is unknown when your blood pressure rises. 6. Lachesis. Lachesis, one of the leading homeopathic medicines to control high blood pressure. It can work for both mental and physical purposes. It can strike down the BP in few minutes, which give you relief from the unbearable neck pain instantly. Use only for 2 weeks approximately.